How to hide following list on TikTok now. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to hide following list on TikTok now. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok Now app and this is where you will get. In order to hide your following list, you have to open up your profile. On TikTok now, we have followers and following just like TikTok, and we can hide following lists very easily. For that, once you get here, you have to click on these three lines at the top right corner, which is the menu option. Then you have to click on privacy. In privacy, you can see we have private account, other options, and then we have in interaction, we have following list. It is the second option. You have to select this option, and now you can see we have who can see your following list, followers or only me. So if I select the option of only me, that means I will be able to see my following list and it will be hidden. So this is how we can hide our following list. You can select the second option. If it's blue, that means this option is selected. Or if you want to show your following list to your friends, you can select the friends option. So I have selected only me. Choose whether to publicly show your following list. If you select only me, other users will not see mutual friends. So I have selected this option. Now I have hidden my following list, and this is how you can go ahead and hide following list on TikTok now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.